Anchor eufy brand, they just sent me this free security cameras for review for my biased review, and I would just give my honest opinion. I haven't even opened it yet, so the links can be found down below. These are Amazon affiliation links. Let's take a look. So Anchor did not, there's no strings attached. They just asked for this review, and yeah, they did not ask me to say anything good or bad about this product. This is just an unboxing video, but I will use it later, I guess. So I can say anything I want, good or bad. So generally speaking, Anchor makes great stuff. That I'm using a lot of Anchor stuff, like that one, Power Strip. I found it is extremely useful for my review studio here. And it is powering my portable monitor up there, and it has 3 AC ports. Let's see, we have a couple of stickers, quick start guide. All right, here comes the main unit. Oh, looks pretty substantial. It's heavy. Remove the film before use, of course. We got 2 of them. This feels like Apple products, actually, which reminds me of the Apple Power Brick, as it is very sleek and yeah, just good quality stuff. Yeah, it's by no means cheaply made like some of these cheap cameras on Amazon, and this one actually feels pretty lightweight. Yeah, feels hollow. Yeah, this is, I guess, is the base station. Let's see what else we have in the box. This must be the power adapters. Well, I guess that's it. That's everything in the box. Okay. Let's put the box away. We got 2 cameras, 1 sync button on the top. All right. Oh, it already powered on. It blinked a little bit. And what's in this box? Well, this looks like a stand or a mounting fixture. What is this? Not sure how to use it. Or it could be a magnetic stuff, like this. And what about, how do I fix that? Well, let's see. Well, the mounting hardware. That looks like a pretty unique design. I've never seen anything like this before. What is this? I need to read the user's manual, sorry. So I would have a follow-up review. So this is just as a normal user. This is exactly what I'm seeing right now. I'm trying to give you my honest opinion. We have a network cable, I think, which can be plugged in the back. I would consider myself tech savvy, but you know, as a regular user who is seeing this product for the first time, this is how I would react. We have screws here, 4 screws each, with the drywall mounting screws. I'm not sure how to call these, but these are for putting things. If you're not putting the screw in the studs in the wood, then you would use this. We also have a pretty long power cable. So this is a micro USB. This one I believe is just for charging. That's why we only have one. It gotta be buried inside here. Let me put a close-up shot. So this is the micro USB for charging. I would fully recharge those two before I use them. And this is the power adapter for the base, I believe. Let's see the input voltage. I would do a power consumption test later. This is 24 watts. That's 12 volts times 2 amps. That's 24 watts max. Yeah, I'm a little bit concerned about this power consumption. I wish it does not consume 24 watts continuously. I think that is just a maximum output of this power brick. So according to the base, I can also use the base to charge the cameras. I believe we have, the input is 12 volts 2 amps, output 5 volts 2 amps. Hong Kong. Right. Give me a second. Let me see if I can find my power meter. All right. Power meter. With an extension cable. Sorry, or I'll just use it here. Let's see if it does fit. This will be the first time I use this power strip with the power meter. Oh, actually it works. Watts. Let's see if I plug this thing in. Let's see how much power it consumes. Like that. Oh, it's actually pretty good. Around 1 watt. That's not bad, but it is not in use, not connected to my Wi-Fi. It's not paired with these things. It's blinking red. I need to read the user's manual. I wouldn't bore you with all the steps, but it looks like we have a quick starting guide. Yeah. 2.5 watts. Well. Setting up the system. I need to download the app. Yeah, I'll set it up later. Then there will be a follow-up part 2. I'll talk about how I would actually use it and about the picture quality and video quality, of course. I need to fully charge them up. 2 watts continuous. Close-up shot. That's 2.2 watts. Fluctuates a little bit. Oh, by the way, this is a wonderful keyboard I got from Logitech. Yeah, not sponsored, but I just got it. It can quickly switch between the 3 devices when it's powered on. It's very easy to pair.
Welcome to eufySecurity.
Whoa.
Homebase is unable to connect to the internet. Please check the Ethernet cable.
Yeah. We'll use Wi-Fi, hopefully. Not sure if it even supports Wi-Fi. Wow. We'll see. Wait for my next review. Charging time 5 hours. Right. See you next time. Yeah, again, I'll talk about how I use this keyboard to work anywhere in the house. Yeah, love this keyboard. It's like one of the best gadgets I got so far. And of course, yeah, this enhances the security